everyone. Now arithmetic progression exercise 1.3 question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So first of all, we have to understand the question here. What the question is, at the starting point on a straight line, one bucket is placed. From the bucket 5 meters at the distance of 5 meters, first potato has placed. Then after that 5, next it is after 3. 5 plus 3 means from the bucket it is 8. Then next it is again 3. 8 plus 3, 11. At the 11 meters, the third potato. Like this, they are having the 10 potatoes on a line. And what the competitor has to do, at a time she has to pick one potato. After picking, they had to run to the bucket, they had to place it in the bucket, and again they had to come to take the second potato. Again after taking second potato, they should go to keep it in the bucket. After placing in bucket, again they have to run to take the third, taking third and again running back to keep it in the bucket. Likewise, how much distance they had to cover till they are covering the 10 potatoes? Let us see here what are given in the question. What it has given, the distance covered to pick up the first potato. The first potato is at the 5 meters apart from the bucket. If it is 5 meters apart, one time she is coming to take the potato and again running back to places in the bucket. So 2 times 5 meters means 2 into 5 is 10. For first potato, 10 meters distance she has to cover. Then for second potato, already first potato is at the distance of 5. Then from 5 it is 3 extra. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 meters she has to come and again 8 meters she has to run back. So 8 into 2 is 16. So for second potato the distance covered is 16 meters. Then the third potato. Again the third potato is at the distance of 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. From the bucket 11 meters she has to come and again she has to run back. So 11 into 2 is 22. For first potato the distance is 10 meters. For second potato 16 meters and the third it is 22 meters. Like this, the 10 potatoes are there means it will be up to 10 terms. We have to find the sum here. If you will see here carefully, the terms are in arithmetic progression because the difference is equal. 16 minus 10 is 6. 22 minus 16 is 6. All are having the distance as 6. That's why they are in arithmetic progression. We have to find the sum of these. Now, A is given as 10. The first distance is A2 minus A1. 16 minus 10 is 6. Now, we will see stepwise to find the solutions. Sn. Sn is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 10. N minus 1 is 10 minus 1. D is 6. 2 1s are 2 5s are gets cancelled. So 5 will remain. 2 10s are 20. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 6s are 54. 20 plus 54 is 74. 74 into 5, 370. So the total distance covered by the competitor to pick up that all the 10 potatoes is 370 meters. With this we had completed the chapter arithmetic progressions. If you are having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.